In a misty dawn on a hidden riverfront court, a lone athlete tests a new floodlit challenge. The goal is simple yet perilous: to thread a through ball into a moving target board hovering above water. Each attempt echoes across the mist as spillover reflections ripple and teammates watch from a wooden dock. When the ball finally arcs true, it carves a bright comet through dawn light and cheers rise along the river. This is extreme sports artistry where precision meets risk, and the water keeps the score tonight for fans.